Hi, I'm Sally Thibault. In this video today, we're going to be tapping on the stress of Christmas. Do you know, Christmas is a wonderful time to get together with family and friends, but this year may be a little different, and there may be some stress around Christmas this year. So we're going to do a general tapping today on helping you get through the stress of Christmas, whether you're actually going to get together with friends and family, or maybe you can't this year and you're feeling that stress. So I want you to measure on a scale of 1 to 10. Just think about Christmas and just measure any feelings of anxiety or stress that come up for you and where you feel them. All right, taking responsibility for your own well-being, let's tap. Even though when I think about Christmas, I can feel my stress rising. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though it feels like it's so stressful, I'm trying to make it joyful, but it's not working. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though this Christmas feels quite stressful, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Here we go. Feeling so stressed. This stress around Christmas. I'm feeling stressed. I can feel it in my body. This Christmas preparation feels so stressed. I've got so much to do. Feeling stress. When I think about Christmas, I feel stressed. All this stress. Feeling all this stress. When I think about Christmas, it just makes me feel stressed. So much stress. This Christmas stress. Feeling it in my body. All this stress. Feeling so stressed. Just take a deep breath and let it go. Good idea now to kind of zero in on what you're feeling, what stress you're actually feeling, and then tap on that. But we're going to move through to the reframe round. Remember, you only want to get that down to it's about a 2 or 0 if you can, and try and figure out what you're stressed about. All right, let's go to the reframe round. Even though I was feeling stressed, I choose to feel calm and present. Even though sometimes I feel stressed when I think about Christmas, I choose to feel calm and centered. Even though I was feeling a little stressed, I'm feeling better now. I choose to feel calm, serene, and centered. Here we go. I choose to feel calm and serene. I choose to breathe and let the stress go. I choose to release this stress. I forgive myself for getting myself stressed. I forgive those who are causing the stress. I choose to feel calm and present. I choose to feel centered and serene. I choose to feel calm, peaceful, and serene. Take a deep breath and let it go. Just grab that power pose for a minute and just imagine the calmness coming across you. Remember, when you're feeling calm, your brain works better. You can actually achieve more. So the calmer you can feel, allowing that stress to just wash away from it. Actually, the more you'll get done. All right. Remember to click on the link to subscribe and share this video with anybody you know that might be getting a little bit stressed at Christmas this year. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.